Here we'll learn the muscles of the upper limb, the upper extremity. We'll start with the anterior aspect of the upper limb. In general, these muscles flex the joints of the upper limb, which include the shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand. To envision flexion, think of folding your upper limb towards your shoulder, starting with the fingers as you pick something up off the floor. Start with the bones, the scapula, humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. If you need to review these bones in detail, see our notes. Now start in the arm and draw two flexors of the elbow. Brachialis, which is a deeper muscle that runs from the humerus to the forearm. Then over brachialis, show biceps brachii. It's called biceps because it has two heads, two attachment sites, and brachii because it's in the arm. Because biceps brachii extends from the scapula to the forearm, it acts on both the shoulder joint and the elbow joint. Then in the forearm, show key flexors of the wrist and fingers. First, show the flexor digitorum muscles, which are deep. Notice that they send long tendons to the fingers. The name of this muscle tells us that it flexes the wrist and digits. Digitorum means digits, which refers to the fingers. Then show palmaris longus. It attaches to connective tissue of the palm. Palmaris refers to the palm. Since it crosses the wrist, it flexes the wrist. Lastly, show two flexor carpi muscles. Carpi refers to the wrist, and these muscles flex the wrist. Notice that they do not send tendons to the fingers, so they can't act on the fingers. Now let's show the posterior muscles, indicate that these muscles in general extend the joints of the upper limb. To envision this, think of unfolding your arms to put something on the floor. First, draw the bones, the scapula, humerus, radius, and ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Then in the arm, show the extensors of the elbow, triceps brachii. Triceps in the name tells us this muscle has three heads. Then in the forearm, show the extensors of the wrist and fingers. First, the extensor digitorum muscle. Notice that its tendons reach into the fingers. This muscle extends the digits. Then show the extensor carpi muscles. These extend the wrist. Like the flexor carpi muscles, they attach to the carpals and do not act on the fingers. In our notes, you can learn more about the muscles not covered here and the clinical conditions associated with different joints. This concludes our diagram.